Welcome to this detailed tutorial on recovering a lost password in WordPress, a process that takes just a few minutes. If you've ever been locked out of your WordPress account, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset your password and regain access quickly and safely. Let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, take a moment to look around. You'll notice the clean layout designed for easy navigation. Now, focus your attention on the top right corner of the page. That's where the login option is located. Click on the login link to open the WordPress login page. Even though you can't access your account right now, this page is the starting point for the recovery process. On the login screen, look for a link that says "Lost your password." It's usually right below the password field. Click on that link to begin the recovery process. Now, WordPress will prompt you to enter the email address that's associated with your account. This part is important. Make sure to type in the exact email you used when registering your WordPress site. If the email doesn't match, the system won't be able to find your account, and you won't receive the reset instructions. Once you've entered your email address correctly, click the button that says "Get New Password." This tells WordPress to start the password reset process. Behind the scenes, WordPress will automatically send a password recovery email to the address you just entered. Within a few moments, check your inbox. You should see an email from WordPress with the subject line, "Password Reset." Open that email carefully. Inside, you'll find a link that allows you to set a brand new password. Click on the link. It will take you to a secure page on WordPress where you can type in your new password. Choose something strong, something unique, and ideally one that combines letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. Once you've created your new password, save your changes. That's it. You've successfully reset your WordPress password. You can now go back to the login page, enter your username or email, and sign in using your new password. This simple process is designed to be quick, secure, and beginner-friendly. WordPress ensures that your information stays protected while making it easy for you to regain access to your account without hassle. If this tutorial helped you recover your password, give this video a like and consider subscribing for more clear step-by-step WordPress guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.